Alright, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about common Discord scams and how to recognize them and avoid them. So, although the scammers find every new and innovative way to make us a part with their funds, make us, come out of our money, there are some scams that are common. And here she lists some of the scams that her community flagged in the last couple of months so you can learn to recognize and avoid them. Alright. So, it's malicious Discord DMs, which we talked about in our last video. I'll leave a link in the description. You can watch about that and how to protect against that. When a popular project is about to mint, you might see a barrage of DMs or endless spams tags on Twitter that promise to get you on the allow list. You are among the lucky few winners, and they just had to DM you about it. So they want to convince you that you're special and try to get you to click something so you can go join and jump on their list. Red flag, language, lucky, don't miss the opportunity, typos, your apostrophe RE. So like you'll see a lot of typos because these people are foreign and usually they don't know how to speak English or they don't know how to type correctly, or they're just trying to scam. Not saying that people in America or anywhere else who can speak perfect English can't be scamming, but it's just something you got to look out for, because sometimes, like I said, they're just careless and they could care less, and they're just literally here to scam you. And you'll see typos from someone who's just in the rush to hurry up and hit a lick versus someone who's doing a real project. They're going to make sure they at least didn't have any typos. So impersonation, invisible friends, admin, not likely. The word admin is there to confer authority and convince you that this is real, but no team member of any NFT project would ever DM you to share the mint link, right? So that's just ridiculous. So check out this picture. She's got invisible friends, admin, the random character selecting, and they want you to put all your information in there, and they want you to click this link, the official website. Now sometimes they use the official website, the actual official one, so that you could believe that that's real, so that you're like, oh, okay, this is real. You know what I mean? All right, so let's go down. Red flag number 2, if they guarantee huge profits if you manage to mint, rest assured it's a scam. So it'll say, we are going live with our mint soon, hella active community, whitelist spots already filled. We guarantee huge profits if you manage to mint, and we have an ongoing giveaway for $1.1 million worth of art and ETH. So this is obviously a scam. I mean, it's just too much promise. All right, and then the next one, red flag, is how more you holding, how more you get rewarded. Who could resist this airdrop? So the more you, it says like here, friends with benefits, AI drop. I'm supposed to say airdrop, but they can't spell. So airdrop is now live. Claim your airdrop now. How more you holding, how more you get rewarded. Like, they can't even speak proper English. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, they probably meant to say the more you hold, the more you get rewarded. But they literally said it like, how more you holding, how more you get. That's so funny. So ridiculous. So, like, pay attention to these things. Because, I mean, how could you get scammed by something like this? It's so bad. All right, so the next one is team members will never DM you on Discord. If there are typos in the message, it's probably a scam. If they're using sales speak to create urgency, it's probably a scam. A popular project would never send messages like this. Now, sometimes you will add someone as a friend and they might share an invite to one of the communities, but use your best judgment. In any case, never connect your wallet to anything or sign any transactions unless you confirm the website is legit. Nowadays they got these wallet connection tools now that don't even require you to connect your wallet. So just if you're in a community and you want to connect, why don't you just talk to the devs at the community and ask them if they can install one of the other wallet services like Vulcan that'll allow your wallet to be able to just prove that you have the NFT without having to connect it. And if they have a problem with that and they don't want to do it, then maybe you should not, worry about it. Alternatively, you could always just make a new wallet and send that NFT to that wallet specifically to connect to that Discord. But my problem with that is that connecting your wallet to a Discord could possibly lead to your wallet being drained. So be very careful with that. If you guys are enjoying the content so far and you made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and destroy that like button. It'll help the channel reach more people. We'll get more people into the, learning about these scams and trying to help more people to avoid these scams. All right, guys, because you really want to make sure that the more people who are aware of this, the easier it is for people to detect it and share these scams with you, so that in case you if you missed something, someone else can have, saw it and then could have warned you. And also, we have a link in our description to our Discord. Guys, make sure you join our Discord. We have this Web3 community. You're going to love it. All we do is talk about security and just different alpha. We have alerts in there. It's perfect for someone who wants to protect their wallet and protect their assets. So go ahead and join. All right, let's continue. So Discord server hacks. These hacks occur when a scammer or hacker gains control of administrative rights in the Discord server. And with these rights, they are able to shut out team members and send out announcements that look legitimate. They might direct to a fake minting site or ask other personal information. As a Discord server member, you receive notifications from read-only announcements channel that you trust to be legitimate and secure. But it is easy to be fooled in this instance because the hacker / scammer expects FOMO to take over and have you react to a fake mint announcement. So your best line of defense here is to just pause and seek confirmation. And that's what I always say to do. Is you should, in every community, get to know the owner of the project and the guys that are behind the project, and always verify with them, guys. Don't just jump in and start hurrying up and doing stuff. And it's really not safe if projects are doing mint, even if it's legitimate and they're telling people hurry up and go mint. You should think about that because, those devs aren't really interested in your safety. So I wouldn't want to be a part of a community who is cool with, doing these bad practices and creating room for things to go wrong. All right. So another one is impersonating Discord members. This has happened to me. There are recent reports of Discord members being approached by other members who are impersonating a moderator from another Discord. And there are also people who will copy the profile of a team member and impersonate them on the server or elsewhere. So these impersonators might ask for collaborations or DM you with phishing links. And if you're not sure who's who, you can always ask the person to message you from their Twitter profile and compare it to see if it's the real Twitter or the person you suspect they're impersonating. You can also do some light stalking in the Discord to confirm identities. And here's how you do it. In the channel, you can click on the person's name and see the credentials in the server. So you can see this right here. Lunalish, content lead, and they have the mod, core team, surge ambassador, surge team. So you can see all these accolades they have, right? So it says, see that note field above? You can add a note for any server member, for example, real / fake, not sure, to keep track of people and verify who they are. So you can actually set notes yourself and say, okay, we know who this is the dev. And then if someone messages you and it looks like the dev again, and it's not, they don't have that note, then you'll know that they're not verified. So you want to make sure that you're taking a little bit of precaution. Now, I mean, obviously Discord could work a way to make this more verifiable. If I were Discord, I would allow people to sign in with their wallets, verify that it's them, send in their ID, and get these guys check marks on Discord so that you'll know who's who. I don't know why Discord doesn't step up their game on identity and helping people to differentiate between the scammers. They obviously don't care, but it's a simple fact that we're using Web3 on a Web2 service, and we're getting, hacked and everything's going wrong. So I believe someone's gonna have to make a new Discord or something that we could use that's more lenient to the NFT users' needs and things like that. So also you can copy the Discord ID username and search the user's history in any particular server. Legitimate community members will often have lots of messages in the server, and when you read through them, you can recognize the person is human, engaged in an organic discussion rather than just a spamming bot or a scammer. All right, so you want to make sure that. So basically, the Discord safety TLDR is to close your DMs, turn on your 2FA, Don't click suspicious links. Verify everything and everyone. If it's too good to be true, it is. Don't connect your wallet anywhere unless you double check the link through the project's Twitter, Discord, and other official channels. I usually just don't be the first to do it. I make sure other people did it. You should have friends in the space that can say, hey, I just, I tried that, I minted it, worked, I was safe. And don't give in to FOMO, and stay in the loop and find a community that will help each other. Like I said, guys, come join our Discord. Link is in the description. I got even more tips for you guys. If you want, you can also follow this page. This is the SurgeWomen.io. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go follow their Discord as well and jump in, because this was a great article. It was a great information. Shout out to the writers of this article. And see you guys in the next video. Talk to you later. Peace.